Okay, Friday morning. This afternoon, it will be exactly 2 weeks since we closed. So overall, I am pretty happy with the progress. The roof is going on, the AC units, HVAC system is going up. We got the holes for that. I don't know where the holes are. I thought there was one over here. There's one. So they call it curbing, I guess. They got the curbs up for the HVAC. There's another one there and another one right there. So there's gonna be 4 units on this thing. Another one up here. Of course, I'm so frustrated about the concrete, but we had 2 guys on handhelds yesterday for some reason. The jackhammer on the skid steer wasn't working, but we pretty much got rid of this one little pad. They went up to Amarillo and picked up another jackhammer for the skid loader, so that should work. That'll be here today, and I think they'll actually make a lot of progress today. So that is a plan, to get that little bit out so we get the skid steer inside the big building to knock out these things. And I think that cement was, man, it seemed like it was harder than that stuff. And these, I think, are actually poured on the concrete where that was part of the pad. So I think these might actually be, well, I don't want to get my hopes up. So we will see. So anyhow, we just got some more stuff everywhere on the roof, but we got the roof pretty much cleaned up. So we got some electrical pipes, old pipes that we need to get rid of, and some wood, like up here where the old dryers were on, and just some random things, some lights. But once we get that going, I think we could clean it up. I don't know when we'll paint it. Still don't know the color. It seems like black, white, everybody's going with that. Somebody said put green on the beams. We took out the wall in the middle of the bathroom, because we're gonna make this 2 ADA bathrooms here. So I don't know if I'm gonna push the wall back that way or just make them like 1, 2. So anyhow, we'll figure that out next Tuesday, exactly when the Atlas guy's gonna be here to point me in the right direction of what I need to do and who I need to get involved, and go from there. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully more exciting video tomorrow with all this concrete. So anyways, end of day 14, almost 2 full weeks, and overall happy. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Bye.